Welcome to another installment of Mazars 3-Minute Spotlight, where we have express interviews with industry experts. I'm Vian Olivier. I'm joined today by Rihanna, who is our insurance expert. Thanks so much for joining us, Rihanna.
It's a pleasure, Vian.
Rihanna, so let's kick it off. Insurance seems to be a very complex industry, so complex that you have your own accounting standard, IFRS 17. Can you perhaps explain to us in a nutshell what IFRS 17 entails?
Yes, so IFRS 17 is a brand new standard. It's been coming along for a number of years, and it's replacing IFRS 4. It's effective for year-end starting on or after the 1st of January 2023. And it is applied retrospectively. It has a huge impact on the insurance sector, and the aim of it is really to bring about more consistency and comparability in the financial reporting of insurers.
From my perspective, I've never worked in the insurance industry or the audit of the insurance industry, so therefore I had to go Google just a couple of questions so I don't sound like a complete idiot. But from that perspective, there's two areas that I saw coming up a lot. The one being the assessment of the adequacy of the insurance reserves as well as the provision of losses. Can you perhaps walk us through those two elements and how the auditor gains assurance on that from an assurance point of view?
Yes, so the insurance reserves and the loss provision is critical elements for any insurer because it points to their financial health and their ability to meet solvency requirements and also the liabilities associated to policy holders. For the audit team, it is critical to then include actuaries and IT audits as part of our team. Part of the work that we perform on those reserves and loss provisions is pretty much around the data, the underlying data for those calculations. And the actuaries would then assess the reasonableness of management experts' application of certain actuarial assumptions such as the discount rate and the claims development factors. And the IT audit would do some testing on that underlying data to make sure it's complete and accurate.
Rihanna, so with the intricacies of the insurance environment and those entities, I'm assuming it's not just statutory audits that we perform within Mazars. What are the other services that we render from Mazars' perspective to aid these businesses within the industry?
Yes, that's correct, Vian. Obviously for our external audit clients, we need to be mindful of our independence and conflict of interest. But for insurers as a whole, we are able to assist with IFRS 17 implementation projects. From a tax perspective, we have tax experts that can assist with tax compliance and advisory work. We have IFRS specialists that can provide technical opinion papers. And then, of course, internal audit as well, and naturally evaluations and due diligences.
Rihanna, thanks so much for taking the time today. Really appreciate it.
You're welcome, Ian.